Interest, continuous interest. Continuous interest is when we have infinite compounds versus when we have compound interest, which is where we have a specific number of compounds, like say 4 for quarterly. So our formula is A equal to P e to the RT. Now our A is still going to be our future value. P is our present value. E is it's Euler's constant. And you don't have to have this number memorized or anything. It is on the calculator. It's going to be 2.718, and it goes out a long ways, but this kind of just gives you an idea. R is still going to be our rate, or in other words, our interest. And again, it has to be as a decimal. And T is still going to be our time in years. In example 1, we have an investment of $25,000 is at an interest rate of 11.5% compounded continuously. What is the balance after 20 years? Compounded continuously is your hint that you're going to be using what's commonly called as our PERT formula. So we have P is equal to 25,000. R, our rate, is equal to 0.115. And our T is equal to 20. So we're going to be putting this in our calculator, and the one thing that you're going to need to know is where to find your E on your calculator. On the left hand side of your calculator, you should be seeing a button that has a capital LN, and then right above it you're going to see an E to the X power. So you're going to use your second button, which is a blue button on your calculator, and then you're going to push the LN button. Okay? So when I put this in the calculator, I'm going to go 25,000. Then I'm going to hit the E button by hitting the second and then the LN. And then that's automatically going to put me up in the exponent, okay? So then we're going to go 0.115 times 20, and then we'll close our parenthesis. Once we've done that, we can hit enter to get our amount, and we're going to get that this is $249,354. Again, round to your 2 decimal places, which will be 0.56. Now to go to our second example. What is the balance at the end of 10 years on an investment of $13,000 at 4% compounded continuously? So our P is going to be 13,000. Our R is 4%, which would be 0.04, and our N will equal 10. Plugging that into our formula, we get A is equal to our 13,000 times E raised to the 0.04 times 10. Plugging that into the calculator, I get $19,393.72.